Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase seeds for cheaper and grow a garden. So if you go to the seed shop here, there will be like a daily deals section underneath the shop section. So if you go to daily deals, there's going to be this grape seed and it costs 680,000 shekels. The original seed price is 850 shekels, so definitely cheaper if you purchase seeds from the daily deals. But obviously the items there will be at random. I purchased a cocoa mango seed there and I didn't need to use garden coins. I think they did remove it anyways because it used to be the tier 2 shop. But yeah, that's how you can get seeds for cheaper. Just keep an eye on it. They also sell these seeds, which are from the summer merchant. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.